Pwedeng makiupo. Ay, sige po.
Here's the entire map of the Grand Park Hotel. Your target is the hotel owner. Don't underestimate Alexander Park. According to my sources, maraming bantay mamaya sa location.
Shit!
Guardian Angel! Actually, hindi naman si Amisil yung pinuntahan ko dito, tita. Ikaw po.
Ako?
Boss, seryoso ka pala, nasasama mo si Amy?
Ikaw si...
Vash, ma'am. Vash Bostridge.
Hello? Wow! Wow, ang daming baril!
One wrong move, and you're going to get your brains splattered all over this sandbox.